So here we are at Lynn's Chinese restaurant. Very nice restaurant. We're all sitting around the round table eating. We had to go up with our gloves on and our masks to get food at the buffet. But the buffet is open, folks. Woohoo! So what's going on there?
You can't have a napkin to wipe it off.
I happened to use my infidel knife to cut because they wouldn't give us a fork.
A knife. Or a knife. Mask up and glove up.
They got ribs.
Yeah, on that other one.
On that other one.
That's the one I'm gonna hit now.
This is pretty tasty.
I don't know which is which.
You like cod?
The life at a buffet. So this is what happens when you're in the desert and you have issues with your vehicle. Folks are willing to help. Isn't it awesome?
Okay, so this is just a...
Kevin's a good man. And boy, they're working hard trying to figure it out too. They're changing the serpentine
around the
belt.
power steering.
They get all the stuff that when you get too flat, then we'll adjust that bottom.
Yeah, that's why. Well, I'm actually trying to get this.
Well, now they're having to put it back on because they don't have a part to take the fan off. Wow.
That way.
This morning we are on our way to Fort Mojave to get the truck worked on finally.
Finally.
Well, everyone had trips and stuff planned, and we're trying to work in this and projects planned. So we were trying to work in the best time to take the truck up there. We were going to go there and camp, but there's a lot of places around there. The parks are full, and the ones I got a hold of don't take trailers older than 10 years old, no matter their condition. It's just their corporate rule. So, but it's a good shop. I've been to these people before. They're really good.
K&C Automotive.
In Fort Mojave,
Yes.
Arizona. They're very good. They worked on our Ford for us, and they did a great job. And I've always seen on the write-ups for them, good. And the work they did for me was outstanding. It was A+ all the way. So when you have someone like that in an area not too far away that can work on your equipment, it's best to take it to them. And that's about it. We should be up there in a little over 2 hours.
Okay, so how do y'all like your Ecotric bikes?
I like them a lot.
Love it.
Yeah?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Don't they look so happy?
We go.
All right,
Go
so
ride.
what do we say? Let's go ride.
Let's go.
There you go. They just got their new bikes. Oh, as soon as he's seen ours, he's like, we gotta have some of those. She's like a little girl on a new bike. Gorgeous sunset tonight. We're gonna have a little ceremony to burn some flags the proper way. Look at that sunset. Is that not gorgeous? Sitting around a fire. How much better can it get? Awesome.
So we're going to burn the flag, and Bobby and I are going to salute that flag. That represents the greatest country in the world.
Always.
Okay, guys.